Hello everyone, in today's lesson we'll be learning Olivia Rodrigo's driver's lesson in its original key. Here's middle C for reference. We'll be playing the piano accompaniment in the key of B flat major. We have two flats, B flat and E flat. The blue font represents the left hand, the red font represents the right hand. We'll start off with the verse. On the right hand, we'll just be playing the B flat octaves. We'll be playing it 8 times for every section. Now for the left hand, the first chord we'll be playing is B flat 5. That's B flat and F. Next we have G5 with G and D. Next we have E flat 5 with E flat and B flat. And back to B flat 5. And now with both hands together, we have B flat 5, G5, E flat 5, and back to B flat 5. We'll call this pattern 1 and it is played for the verses sections. Next we have the chorus. On the right hand, we'll be playing B flat, G, D, G, B flat, G, D, G, B flat, G, C, G, D, G, E flat, G, B flat, F, D, F, C, F, D, F. And for the right hand, we'll just be playing E flat 5. Play that again. And just B flat. Now let's play both hands together. E flat 5, E flat 5, and B flat. Play this twice. Now that's the first part of the chorus. We'll play the second part of the chorus with this chord progression. Starting with the right hand, we have G minor, we have G, B flat, and D. Next, we move our hand down, we have F major with F, A, and C. Next, moving our 3rd and 5th finger up, we have F, B flat, and D. Moving only the 3rd finger, we have D minor, F, A, and D. Next, we have E flat minor 7. Moving the 1st and 3rd finger, we have G, B flat, and D. Now for the left hand, we'll just be playing the root notes. G for G minor, F for F major, B flat for B flat major, D for D minor, and E flat for E flat minor 7. Now we'll play that section with both hands. G minor, F major, B flat major, D minor, and E flat minor 7. Let's try that section again. For the last chord, on the right hand, we'll play our chord 8 times. For C minor, we have C on the left, and on the right, we have E flat and G. Next, we have F major. On the left, we have F. On the right, we have F and A. And finally, we end on just B flat. Let's try the second half of the chorus again. We'll call this section pattern 3. And so pattern 2 played twice followed by pattern 3 would be the chorus. That brings us to the bridge, where on the left hand we'll start with B flat, A, all these chords we learned earlier: G minor, E flat minor 7, B flat major, and F major. For each chord, we'll be playing our right hand 8 times. And we'll play this chord progression 4 times. We'll call this pattern 4, and this is played for the bridge 4 times. Now for the very last chorus, we're playing things slightly different. On the right hand, we'll start with G and B flat, G and C, G and D, G and E flat, F and B flat, F and C, followed by D. For the left hand, we'll play the E flat 5 chord with E flat and B flat. We'll play this twice, followed by B flat. Let's try that again. So this section is going to be slightly different from what we had learned before. The chord progression will be G minor, F major, D minor, F major, and E flat minor 7. On the right hand, for G minor, we have D and B flat played together. For F major, it's C and A played together. For D minor, we have A and F played together, F major, E flat minor 7. We have G, B flat, D, and G played together. And for the left hand, we'll just be playing our root notes: G, F, D, F, and E flat for E flat minor 7. Both hands together. And then we end with the C minor, F major. For the ending, we'll play C minor, F major, and G minor 7. On the left, we have G. On the right, we have F and B flat. This is pattern 5, and it is played for the last chorus.